Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Teju's Adda. First of all, I want to thank each and every person who has helped me to achieve 1000 subscriber. Today I'll be showing a simple girl with a dog how to draw it in a Autodesk sketchbook. I have already drafted the sketch and I have imported it to Autodesk sketchbook app. To trace the sketch, every time I prefer using felt pen in the traditional section of brushes. It is always better to use predictive stroke as it gives you smooth curve for whatever you are drawing. Make sure you have completely joined all the edges so that it will be easy to fill, or else all the color will fill outside the drawing. Tracing is very important and it doesn't come initially, but through the practice I am damn sure you are also going to achieve it. If you are not that comfortable drawing with your hands, you can go check out for the stylus which is available in the Amazon. I'll try to put the link of that in the description box. Always try to put each and every part of your drawing in a new layer so that coloring will be very easy, and also for giving the shadow also it will be very easy. Every time I do the same, everything I put up in a new layer. For shadowing, you can use any of the fine art pencils available. I always prefer using 8B or 9B as it is the darkest ones available. When you are choosing color for shadow, prefer one or two shades darker to the color which you want to shade for. For example, here I started to shade for blue color. I have taken two more darker shade which is available for blue, so that it gives a nice shadow for the shirt there. Initially, when I started with digital art, it was very difficult for me to do the hand movement, like drawing the strokes and all. But eventually, when I practiced it more, it feels little easier now. I don't tell completely it is easy, but yeah, compared to the initial one, it is definitely easy. Always try to give some background color to your image so that it gives or it enhances your actual drawing and makes your drawing look more brighter. Here I am trying to add some fur to the dog. You can choose any of the pencil like basic pencil or legacy pencil or any of the fine art pencil which has small stroke comparatively. So you can choose that and start adding the fur to it. Same applies for girls hair too. You can choose any of the pencil and start shading it. Always try to add some sunlight on your character so that it makes your character little more natural. At the end, do not forget to add your watermark, and this completes my entire drawing of a girl with a puppy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel and do not forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. Thanks. Bye.